A+ലേക്കുള്ള വഴി ഇനി തനിയെ തുറക്കാം. Subscribe to the ENCLAPS channel. Ring the bell button and open success. It's that easy.
Hello. You have learned that how to mark the points on a line with the numbers and how to calculate the distance between them. Let us learn how to find the distance between two points on an axis. Any length can be taken as a unit to mark the distance on the axis. Then the distance between two points on an axis is only a multiple of this unit. Look at this picture. Did you see two points on the x-axis? What are their coordinates? 2, 0 and 5, 0, right? Where x coordinate of the first point is 2. That is, the distance from the origin to this point is 2 times this unit. If so, what is the distance to the second point? The x coordinate of the second point is 5. Then the distance from the origin to the second point is 5 times this unit. That is, the distance from the origin to the first point can be shortened to 2 and the distance to the second point to 5. Then the distance between the point is 5 minus 2 equals 3. Look at the next picture. The 2 points given here are to the left of the origin. What are they? Minus 2, 0 and minus 5, 0. The distance from the origin to the first point is 2 and the distance to the second point is 5. The distances to the left are denoted by negative, so the distance to the points can be minus 2 and minus 5. Therefore, the distance between the point is minus 2 minus minus 5 equals minus 2 plus 5 equals 3. Then, how to find the distance between the points on either side of the origin? Look at this picture. What is the distance between two points given in it? 2 minus minus 5 equals 2 plus 5 equals 7. Isn't it? Do you know how to find the distance between two points on the x-axis? The distance between two points on the x-axis x1 0, x2 0 is the absolute value of x1 minus x2. The distance between two points on the y-axis 0 y1 and 0 y2 is the absolute value of y1 minus y2. Look at this picture. Is the line connecting these points parallel to the axis? Yes. So, the distance between them is same as the distance between the feet of the perpendiculars from these to the x-axis. That is, the distance between the points equals 5 minus 2 equals 3. What do you understand from this? All points with the same y coordinate are on a line parallel to the x-axis and the distance between any pair of such a point is the difference of their x coordinates. Similarly, all points with the same x coordinates are on a line parallel to the y-axis and the distance between any pair of such points is the difference of their y coordinates. In algebraic language, the distance between the points with the coordinates x1y and x2y is the absolute value of x1 minus x2. The distance between the points with xy1 and the point xy2 is the absolute value of y1 minus y2. Do you understand how to find the distance between two points with the same x or y coordinates? Now let's see how do we find distance between two points with x and y coordinates different. Look at this picture. Find the distance between the points 2, 5 and 6, 7. How to find? First, draw a rectangle with these as opposite corners and sides parallel to the axis. See, the distance between these points is the diagonal of this rectangle. Isn't it? Yes. Then, you need to find the length of the sides of the rectangle to calculate it. To do this, find the coordinate of the bottom corner of the rectangle. How much is it? If we check the x coordinate of the upper right corner of the rectangle, we get the x coordinate of the lower right corner as 6. Similarly, if we check the y coordinate of the lower left corner, we get the y coordinate of the lower right corner as 5. Then the coordinates of the lower right corner is 6, 5. Look at the picture. Triangle ABC is a right triangle. The hypotenuse of this right triangle is the diagonal of the rectangle. How to find out its hypotenuse? Here in the triangle ABC, base equals 6 minus 2 equals 4. Height equals 7 minus 5 equals 2. Then the hypotenuse equals root of 4 square plus 2 square equals root 20 equals 2 root 5. That is, the distance between points 2, 5 and 6, 7 is 2 root 5. See this picture. What if the positions of the points is like this? You can find the length by drawing a rectangle as you did before. Here, the base of the right triangle MNP equals 2 minus minus 2 equals 4. Height equals minus 1 minus minus 4 equals minus 1 plus 4 equals 3. Then the hypotenuse equals root of 4 square plus 3 square equals root of 16 plus 9 equals root 25, which is equal 5. That is, the distance between the points minus 2, minus 1 and 2 minus 4 equals 5. In algebraic terms, we can generally take two such points as x1, y1 and x2, y2. What do then? We can draw a rectangle with these are opposite vertices and sides parallel to the axis, isn't it? Then we get the other two corners as x1, y2 and x2, y1. Here again, the distance between the point is the diagonal of the rectangle. Now, the base of the right triangle got is also the absolute value of x1 minus x2 and the height is the absolute value of y1 minus y2. Then the distance between the first two points is root of absolute value of x1 minus x2 the whole square plus absolute value of y1 minus y2 the whole square. It can be written like this because the square of any number and its absolute value is the same. Distance equal root of x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. If y1 equal to y2, what is the distance? Root of x1 minus x2 the whole square equals absolute value of x1 minus x2. If x1 equal x2, then root of y1 minus y2 the whole square equals absolute value of y1 minus y2. Then the distance can be calculated in this way even if any of the coordinates are equal. How do we say this in general? The distance between two points with coordinates x1, y1 and x2, y2 is the root of x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. For example, what is the distance between the points 4 minus 2 and minus 3 minus 1? Where x1, y1 equals 4 minus 2, x2, y2 equals minus 3 minus 1. Distance between 4 minus 2 and minus 3 minus 1 equals root of 4 minus minus 3 the whole square plus minus 2 minus minus 1 the whole square equals 7 square plus minus 1 the whole square equals root 50 equals 5 root 2. What if the coordinates are 3 minus 5 and minus 2 minus 6? Distance equals root of 3 minus minus 2 the whole square plus minus 5 minus minus 6 the whole square equals root of 5 square plus 1 square equals root 26. So, what is the distance between the points minus 2, 1 and the origin? Coordinate of the origin is 0, 0. Then the distance between them equals root of minus 2 minus 0 the whole square plus 1 minus 0 the whole square equals root of 4 plus 1 equals root 5. In general, the distance between the points with the coordinates x, y and the origin is the root of x square plus y square. Now, look at this problem. Are the points minus 1, 2, 3, 5 and 9 minus 3 on the same line? If 3 points are on the same line, then among the distances between various pairs of them, the largest must be the sum of other two. Here, if point minus 1, 2 is taken as A, 3, 5 as B and 9 minus 3 as C, then AB equal root of minus 1 minus 3 the whole square plus 2 minus 5 the whole square equals root of 16 plus 9 equals 5. BC equals root of 3 minus 9 the whole square plus 5 minus 3 the whole square equals root of 36 plus 64 equals root 100 which is equal 10. AC equals root of minus 1 minus 9 the whole square plus 2 minus minus 3 the whole square equals root of 100 plus 25 which is equal 5 root 5. Adding the length of AB and BC gives 15. Since it is not equal to the largest length AC, it can be said that A, B and C are not on the same line. Look at another problem. The distances from a point inside a rectangle to the three consecutive vertices are 3 cm, 4 cm and 5 cm. What is the distance to the fourth vertex? First draw a picture by taking the lower left vertex as origin and the two sides through it as the axis. On which axis is point A in the figure? On the x-axis. So, what is the y coordinate of that point? 0, right? If its x coordinate is taken as A, then the coordinates of A is A0. Similarly, since the point B is on the y-axis, then x coordinate is 0. If we take the y coordinate as B, we get the coordinates of B as 0b. Then what is the coordinates of C? A, B, isn't it? Assuming xy is the coordinates of P, then the known length can be written using the coordinates as follows. X square plus y minus b the whole square equals 9. X square plus y square equals 16. X minus a the whole square plus y square equals 25. Here you can see that PC is the distance to the fourth corner. Now PC square equals x minus a the whole square plus y minus b the whole square. How to find PC from the first three equations? To do this, add the first and second equation. X minus a the whole square plus y minus b the whole square plus x square plus y square equals 25 plus 9 which is equal 34. Since x square plus y square equals 16, x minus a the whole square plus y minus b the whole square plus 16 equals 34. X minus a the whole square plus y minus b the whole square equals 34 minus 16 equals 18. That is PC square equals 18. Then PC equals root 18 which is equal 3 root 2 centimeter. Did you understand how to find the distance between two distinct points? See you later.
3 ലക്ഷത്തിലേറെ വരുന്ന ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങൾ ഏറ്റവും കുറഞ്ഞ ചിലവിൽ സ്വന്തമാക്കുവാൻ ഉടൻ തന്നെ ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്യൂ ENCLAPS the Learning App.